What's going on, guys? Karl here, Passion for Unpredictability. I hope y'all had a great Christmas, and I hope y'all had celebrated a good New Year's last night, and all that good stuff. I just nonstop celebrate, so I'm just celebrating 24/7, all the time, all the time. So if you're celebrating now, good. You're celebrating with me right now as I go through a torture, probably. We're gonna be trying this powdered skim milk. Let's do this. Karl here, Parents of Unpredictability. Today we're going to be trying this skim milk without water. But first we're going to mix it up just to see, see what we got going on here. So let's get this camera set up. Boom. Yep, I don't know. I always overshoot that camera, so there is no telling what that looks like. Let's go ahead and open this bad boy up here. Okay, it is definitely powdery. I'll tell you that right now. And we're going to, oh gosh. We're going to get some of that in there. I don't know how much we need for... There we go, looks good, right? This ain't gonna... I have no way to just set this down. It's gonna spill all over the place. Let's get some water here. Pour it in there. Just like this. That looks like extra skim milk, but that's what it looks like sometimes. I got a spoon right here. We're gonna mix it up. There we go. I thought that was probably really loud for everybody. Let's go, guys. Hopefully that looked good. If it didn't, I just wasted y'all's time, my time, everybody's time. But anyways, here we go. It's weird. It's weird. That's all I don't know what to say there, buddy. It's just weird. But anyways, we always do it big. So I got a big old spoonful here. Yep, there it is, guys. See the spoonful. And here we go. Oh. Mm-mm. Mm-mm. I'll tell you right now, the idea of chewy milk just went in the back of my head. It is all in my teeth. Oh. The idea of chewy milk just went in the back of my head and I almost threw up. Milk ain't supposed to be chewy. There ain't supposed to be lumps in it. It's supposed to just be liquid. That's all it's supposed to be. It ain't supposed to have no lumps. You ain't supposed to chew it. So as soon as I started chewing, trigger went off. Did not want it in my body anymore. Oh. Anyways, I don't recommend that, guys. Oh, I hope y'all had a great Christmas. I hope y'all had a good New Year's. Let's start this year off right. Little dance. Don't do this. That stuff. I need to update it more often. Have an awesome day.